Does Amazon Fresh accept returns from the customers? The answer is no. There are no returns of order once received. Let's see what to do. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. Hello, namaste. How are you all? Hope you're all keeping good, right? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face. Be happy, keep smiling always. And thanks for all your support. And this video is on Amazon Fresh. Recently ordered mangoes on Amazon Fresh along with 1 rupee products. If you want that information, I'll be providing you in the I button. Along with the cashback details, you can watch that video. Here you see the mangoes that I have ordered. I got them delivered fresh, but some of the mangoes are rotten. I ordered 3 kg of mangoes. 1 kg was rotten, as you see in the picture. Now there's no returns or replacements accepted by Amazon Fresh. What you can do is, I'll show you, go to Amazon app and you click on 3 lines that are seen below in the app. Click on that. Now you'll see the screen coming up like this, and you will go to orders. Once you tap on orders, you'll be receiving the list of orders that you have placed recently. Go to that order or select that order which you want refund from Amazon Fresh and tap on request item refund. You can see this option under requestion as need help with this order. Write down the items that you want refund for and upload pictures of those items. This is compulsory. And then you got to click on confirm. That's it, done. This is all you got to do. You'll be receiving your refund within 24 hours of time. But one thing you got to remember is you have to place the request of refund soon after the delivery is made. Again, I repeat, when you receive orders of any substandard or rotten stuff, you got to place the refund request within no time and get your refund within 24 hours of time. And this refund excludes cashback. Here you see a small demo with pics. There are no returns or replacements accepted on Amazon Fresh whenever you place an order. But you can go for refund request, and this request would be accepted within 24 hours of time, and you will be refunded. And you need not worry that you have wasted your money for something, buying perishables or rotten things or stuff, right? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Flying Skies One for more videos. Have a good day. Keep smiling.